up on the wall in one of the restaurants where I stopped to get something to eat, and it said something like, "For those who follow the dream, they get their dream."
And that's on the wall of a restaurant where you eat at, huh? Yeah, well, thank you. I'm sharing this stuff all up on the internet with everybody, documenting stuff. So if you're around a computer and you put in Joe Anybody, you'll see my stuff. Joe Anybody. Thank you for being out here. I'm just an average Joe, you know, out here trying to, it's not my real name, but just an average person trying to document and show what good people are doing out here.
Good for you.
Yeah, good for you too.
Same thing.
Huh?
Same thing.
Same thing. Yep. Hey, both. Yep. That's us.
I was like, man, they better not come in.